Hello everyone, I'm back again with another amazing video. In this video, I'm going to tell you which programming language should you learn first. So let's begin. If you are a beginner, then you should learn Python. Python is the most popular programming language and also Python is the most easiest programming language in the world. With Python, you can do many things like machine learning, web development, software development, and many more. And if you don't have much time to learn any programming language, then you can start with Python because Python will take less time than any other programming language. You can learn Python in no time. But if you have time, then you should learn C++ because every programming language is created using C and C++. That's why if you learn C++, then other programming language will be easy. Then you can learn other programming language in no time. But if you don't want to learn Python or C++, then you can learn Java. Java is not easy and not hard. It is just right. With Java, you can do many things, just like Python and C++. Remember, if you want to do web development, then Python and Java will be best. You can't do web development with C++. So remember that. Guys, also, if you have time, then you should learn C++. But if you don't have time, then you should learn Python. And if you don't want to learn these two languages, then you should learn Java. With Java, you can do Android app development and desktop GUI development. So guys, it's depends on you. You can learn Python or Java or C++. So if you want to be a game developer, then you should learn C++. Or if you don't have any plan, then you can learn C++. But if you don't have time, then you should learn Python. Now guys, that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to get more computer and programming related video, then guys, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and you also press the bell icon. So now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.